This is the codes. This is the Python codes I created with the help of Copilot. So it use import win32 com.client. He can tear TK. This one, this is GUI, and then yeah, connect to Catia, and then recursively get all the part numbers like this one, mm, this one. So connect. So it will get those part numbers. So if you use your keyboard while uh, selecting while pressing the control key, this one here and here and here, then reconnect the so you have a multiple selection here, and then rename selected parts. So before that, um, okay, you have two options for selection of cut parts or these childs here under the main assembly. You can choose the option A. The option one is selecting from the tree, like this one, or you can use the filtered selection. Just press this product selection command, and then you can select direct to the 3D model, like this one. So while selecting, pressing the control key button on your keyboard, this one. Okay. Uh, Let me refresh this. Okay. So again, this one here, here, and this one. So reconnect to Katia. So it's the same. But for me, this is the fastest way for selection inside the assembly. Like, for example, if you have so many, your tree is very long, and sometimes you will, scroll up, scroll down just to find, or sometimes beginners use this kind of center graph or reframe, or no, center graph maybe, center graph, and then from that you will select the part, okay, like this one, because the difference between these things of is you can only select the surface. Then if you use this one like direct to the cut part and reconnect, it will not show here the inside the GUI tool. But if you select from the tree, it will be selected here. It will shown here. So for me, this is one of the most easy, or what do you call in Japanese, the Benri. Super easy use command like this one. And then select again. Okay. So for this example, I want to rename the selected parts to, let's say, um, laser plate or laser, laser only. So input your text here, uh, laser. Okay. Then click the add button. Then it will show here. Okay. So I'm hoping this parts by sequence selection. This will be the one, two, three, four, five, and 6. So click the rename selected parts, and then you go. We have a success rename parts. So rename 6 parts, laser 01 up to laser dash 06. Okay. So if we check the new part number or this one, we have clean laser dash 01 and then laser 06. And that's it for today's walkthrough. So this little Python tool might look simple, but it removes a lot of repetitive work and keeps your Catia assemblies clean and organized. Automating these small tasks adds up. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and lets you focus on the actual engineering instead of the busy work. So, if you found this helpful, or if you want to see more CATIA automation tools, Python tricks, or workflows improvements, feel free to stick around. I'm always building new tools and sharing what I learn along the way. So, thanks for watching. Take care and see you in the next one.